Hello guys, good evening and welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a night point of view drive with the new Hyundai Kona. This is the new generation model. It is an upscaled model and as you can see it's got the completely new design, very futuristic. Look at these split headlights. So you have the daytime running LEDs and then the main units down there. I can lock the car once again and then unlock it. So you see the key, actually the switches here form the Hyundai badge. How cool is that? So when I unlock it, you see the main units and you also saw the hazard lights or indicators. I think the styling is beautiful, very seamless integration of those daytime running LEDs. And then this model is the N-line trim. So it's the special trim that you can get with Premium or Premium Plus package here in Croatia and gives you more sporty look. So you see more pronounced front bumper with the N-line badge and also a lot of gloss black details. On the side you have the wheel arches finished in the same color as the body of the car. Speaking about the color, Meta Blue is the name of this gorgeous color. We have the 18-inch wheels. You can go up to 19-inch now on Kona. Now look at the strong design lines and let me show you the car from the rear. Let's unlock it so that you can see the LED bar. Look at this. How gorgeous does this look? And I love the fact that they have the similar pattern both on front and rear. Now once again the N-line trim gives you a bit of a sporty design. So you have like the pronounced diffuser and also this car has got dual exhaust pipes. We have the hybrid, more about the powertrain in a moment as soon as we enter the car. And then I can also show you the rear spoiler. There we go. And we are now ready to take this car for a night point of view drive. And here we are greeted with the gorgeous modern cabin. So let's see it from driver's perspective. All right, and this is the view as a driver. Let's turn on the car, press the start button here, and we are ready to go. As you can see, beautiful details here, beautiful ambient. And yeah, well, the gear selector is actually here. So this is to go into drive, neutral, reverse, the rear view camera, and then park. Just press this. You also have this view. Okay, and let's go put it to drive and off we go. So the model in our video is a hybrid. It has the combination of 1.6 liter GDI petrol engine and electric motor, front wheel drive layout and DCT transmission, uses the shift by wire technology, and yeah, overall very smooth drive in this hybrid. There are also other options available as well. So you have the 1 liter TGDI, which is the 120 horsepower petrol. You can have it also equipped with the mild hybrid technology. There is also the 1.6 liter TGDI with 198 horsepower, and that one can be paired with the 4-wheel drive. Now those aren't the only options. You can also go for the electric version. So you have petrol mild hybrid, then you have 198 horsepower petrol, then you have this hybrid and electric version. So tell me in the comments what would be your choice for this car. But today's focus is of course this one, the hybrid one. And the drive in this model is so smooth, which you will see now during our night drive through my hometown of Zagreb. By the way, look at the amount of space that you have here. So that's it, we are ready to go. Alright, so the layout in front of us, 12.3-inch digital cockpit and the 12.3-inch main touchscreen with the new infotainment system. You can also change the view on the digital cockpit. So we are changing the driving modes now. And by the way, look at the blind spot view assist. Very cool and useful feature. We saw it on the other Hyundai models as well. And always nice to have this. So I was telling you about the digital cockpit and the views. So Eco, Sport and Snow are the driving modes, which you can select by turning this rotary button in the middle of the central console. And yeah, you can also change the view not depending on the driving mode within the settings of the infotainment system. You can also change what you see here on your right. As you can see, we can have either this charge eco power meter or the revs, of course, when the engine is turned on. And you see the eco mode has this nice dials with the green details. I really love those, so we will keep it this way for now. And you see when the engine is not working, you don't have the revs, so they are 0 obviously. And you can also change what you see here in front of you. So yeah, bunch of things available here in front of you. Then the main touchscreen with the, once again, new infotainment system, and then the AC is on switches, which is always nice to see. So very easy to use it. 10.9 seconds is the time to reach 100 for this powertrain. And yeah, well, the new Kona is now an upscaled model, sits between Bayonne and Tucson, but it is, as I already told you, longer than the predecessor. And yeah, definitely very serious car, and feels very nice behind the steering wheel here. Also packed with technology. I will show you soon the blind spot assist that we also have. And there are other safety and driver assist systems that make your drive as smooth and as safe as possible. Now you have these pedals here. You can change the recuperation level. So you see level 3 and then max. And not sure if camera is catching it, but here you see level 2, level 3 and so on. And there are 3 packages in Croatia: Style, Premium and Premium Plus. This is the Premium Plus. And then on top of that you can get the N-Line. So you can get the N-Line with Premium and Premium Plus for more dynamic look. And look at the blind spot view and assist actually. So it beeps, and also my steering wheel vibrates when I have the car in my blind spot and I turn on the indicator, which I just did now. And I really love the fact that also some buttons are here. So you do have very modern infotainment system, big screen, but still some buttons to make your drive easier. And so yeah, the adjustments are really easy to make when you have, for example, AC on switches, and also some shortcuts here. And here in the middle, 2 USB-C ports and the 12-volt power supply, as well as the buttons for the cooled seats, heated steering wheel. So this car really has a lot of technology and a lot of things. Let me show you the rev counter now. So you see now that the electric motor is doing its thing, the revs are 0, and then if you push the throttle harder, or if you put it to sport mode and push it, then of course the engine comes in as well. And since we are stationary, I can also show you now the ambient lights. So you go to vehicle settings, here you have lights, and now ambient lighting. There are various colors available. Tell me in the comments which one do you prefer. Many options available, and then you can also configure it yourself, so pretty much all the colors you can wish are available. Tell me in the comments which one is your favorite. I will put this one for now. And you can see really the drive is so smooth, and this car, if you want efficiency and smoothness in the drive, this is the version to go for. Alright guys, so that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you liked this night point of view drive. Stay tuned for more, as there will be plenty of more to come with this car, but also with other cars as well. Tell me in the comments, how do you like the new Hyundai Kona, and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.